We're here today with Dee Dee, who's 10 years old, who just completed a program of attention and memory training. And what I'd like you to do is put into your own words, what changes have you noticed now that you're completing that program?
When I play baseball, I do a lot better. And when I'm able to reflect to, like, for example, like if a ball is hit really hard and fast to you, I could catch it. It's not as hard to catch it as it normally would, and that probably helped me on Tuesday, because on Tuesday I made a diving catch in a baseball game.
Good.
So that's something.
What other changes have you found when playing baseball?
I do a lot better at hitting.
And hitting?
Hit the ball a lot farther.
How do you know that it's because of the therapy?
Because last year when I would swing, I never would swing in general, so I don't know.
So before you wouldn't swing at the ball, and now you're swinging?
Yeah, because last year I was kind of scared. It was my first year.
Okay, and now you're doing better. Good. What can you tell me about school?
Oh, it's good. I'm starting to focus a lot easier.
What can you tell me about doing homework?
Doing homework? No problem. It's not a problem for me at all.
Good. Was that different than before?
Sometimes it would take me like an hour to do my homework.
And now?
It was easy, blow by quickly.
Cool. How do you feel about that?
Good.
That's wonderful. Mom, let's turn to you. Tell me what you're noticing.
The baseball, it's what he said as far as the eye coordination and catching the ball, but also compared to the other kids, his peripheral vision, like he can watch when he's in the game, he can watch everything going on all around him. That it's a skill that most kids, that my husband has noticed because he coaches, that most kids on the team cannot do yet, and some are even older than him. So we think it's related to that as well. Yeah, and then also his focus is a little better. He's more responsible, but not because he was irresponsible, but more because he was a little more scatterbrained, so he's a little more responsible in what he needs to do because he's not as disorganized in his brain as he would put it.
So do you think there's a change now relative to 3 months ago when we started the attention and memory training?
I believe so. I believe there's a level of growth and just independence that has to do with that, yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing.